In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use a hashtag on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app. Drop right here where it says what's on your mind to start creating a pause. After that, you can enter there any text. You can add some photos, videos, and all that stuff. And once you are done with that, in order to add a hashtag, all you have to do is just start. First off, type in hashtag symbol, and then just start typing your hashtag. It will show you some suggestions based on what you have entered. In this way, you can add multiple hashtags to your boss. Just keep doing the same steps. And also, you can select some background for your boss. Just like that, and the hashtags will also work in here. Let me type in Dart, for example. Now, you know how you can easily use a hashtags on Facebook.